Welcome everybody. Here's how the Zentrix Excel add-in brings real-time SAP S/4HANA cloud data into Excel. Go ahead and click on the add-in and log into SAP. Once you've logged in, choose the company code, fiscal year, GL accounts and periods, then click refresh. Let's go ahead and do that. So we'll click on get master data. We're using a test system, company code 1000 and a small account range. You can enter your own details, of course. It's going to go ahead and bring the master data in, and then we'll go ahead and there's our master data. Go ahead and get our account balances. Again, it's a test system, so I've chose 2010 and one period. Obviously, you'll be choosing a current year and up to 16 periods. So we'll go ahead and refresh our balances. This is also going to build a sample pivot table and chart as a simple demo. Let's have a quick look at that. Of our balances, there's our sample pivot table and chart. You can go ahead and modify that. But from here, you can build your own custom reports such as trial balance, profit and loss, balance sheet, or movement report using standard Excel pivot tables and formulas. When the data changes in SAP, just go ahead and hit refresh. You can save this as an Excel workbook, open it, and all you'll need to do next time is log in and hit refresh, and all your reports will automatically update. So this is real SAP finance data in real time inside Excel. If you'd like to test this out with your own SAP data, head to zentrixbi.com and use the contact form, and we'll send you a free trial. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe as we have a lot more of these SAP reports coming soon.